Hey guys, Samila is here and today I am making Paper Toys Antistress Transformer. So let's start how to make it. So I make the strips and after I fold, like I bring it here and to equal size. Okay, so I already fold it and then I put it here, and after that I bring this part this side and bring it this part here and bring it here, and then I pull it like that. So after pulling, and it's like that, so I keep continue doing like these things, and I add one by one strips here all the way. I already paste it and it's like that. So what we do, I will take this strip this side, bring it here, see this side, then I bring it, this one is here and this one is here, and see this space. So what we do, we bring in these strips here and put it here and pull it like that. So all steps keep going like that all the way. Like I bring it this one, leave it this one, we again start these strips, pick it up and do again same pattern and keep going these things. After I already made it, I take the big strips and after finishing it's look like that. So see, it's taking too much time, so that's why I already made this one, and after finishing this I should be paste it here. I didn't paste it because I want to show you guys through how to make it that, and it's finish it here. And see, after that paste it here and then you can keep moving like that. It's very awesome arts, so you can try at home. So please, if you like, so like my video and share. Bye.